After creating your account and logging in, you will be taken to the session dashboard. This is where you will be creating sessions. These sessions are the online teaching and learning space your students will connect to. Let's start by creating sessions. Next, you will see this view. In the session name field, enter the name for the session. This name will be displayed to the students when they join the session. You will then be taken back to the session dashboard and your first session is visible in the list. As you are a teacher, you can enter this session list by clicking on the arrow of the right side of your newly created session. Once you click on this arrow, a menu will appear. Let's click on Join Session. You will see a welcome message. Next, you will see a microphone and webcam test. Check the selections to make sure that you are using the correct microphone and webcam, and click on the green OK button to continue. You have now entered the session you created, but there's no one there. So, let's invite some students to the session. Click on Session Info. On the top, you will see the URL. Simply copy and paste this URL and send it to your students. When the students click on this link, they will immediately be able to join the session. If we return to the session dashboard, we can see that some students have arrived. Great! Now our class can begin. So there you have it. It's as easy as that. Stay tuned for our next video where we learn which controls you can use in the teacher function on Sanako Connect.